Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of August. So for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box. And those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. And when you fill out your style profile, you can indicate in your profile what you would like to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home. And then you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of whatever you're keeping. If you keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I do not have the styling fee because I was offered the Style Pass about 2 years ago, and so I pay a one-time styling fee of $49 each year, and then I get unlimited fixes for the year. For this fix, I did request a pair of workout Capri leggings. I'm starting to work out. I'm trying to lose a little bit of weight. So we're gonna see what I got in this box for this month. When you open up the box, you are gonna see the directions on what to do next. Stitch Fix is super simple. Checkout is online. You only pay for what you keep. You know, the shipping is free both ways. It's super convenient and super simple. I love this styling service. You're going to get a prepaid mailer bag to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. You're going to get an envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 24 for me. You're also going to get this Oh Hello card, and inside this card you're going to have your style suggestion cards for the items that are in your box, and you're going to get a note from your stylist. And so I'm going to read my note real quick. It says, "Hey Jennifer, welcome to your fix. How is your summer going so far? Have you heard if schools are opening up around you? I know there's a lot of talk about giving parents the option of in-person or virtual. Hopefully you and your family have been able to get out and enjoy summer. We are enjoying the unexpected heat for this time of year here and having our own little toddler water park. As always, I love seeing your fix pop up in my queue. It brightens my day, and I am always thrilled to see how much you love and appreciate your fixes. I should get on to your fix. You mentioned a pair of workout Capri pants. I wasn't able to find those, but I did find these amazing performance leggings that are breathable, moisture wicking, have 4-way stretch and compression. What do you think? As for the rest, I chose trendy details like a tie and knot. XX Kara." And so Kara's been my stylist the whole time, which is really good. And so here's what my bundle looks like. I have some bright colors in there. All right, so for the first item, I have the West Key Allura Knot Detail Blouse in yellow. And that is this top right here. It's a bright yellow color. The flowers look like they have cream and brown. I'll get close so you can see the floral print. It is a little sheer, so you'll probably have to wear something underneath of it, but it has a nice V-neck. And it has that cute little twist front detail on the front. Has a seam down the back. So yeah, that's really pretty. I think I'll like that. Next is the Fortune and Ivy Madia Brush Knit Dress in navy. And it's really soft. And so it is a striped dress, just a plain little striped dress. It's navy and white. The only thing I worry about is dresses like this sometimes can be a little short on me, so we will have to see how that fits, but it's just a basic little, almost like a little tank dress here, but it is really soft. Next is by Beacon. It is the Estella button-down tie front knit tank in red. I love the color red. It's very stretchy, which I like that. It does have the buttons down the front, which are real buttons. There's a cute little tie front, which I don't own any tie fronts. I tend to like the twist fronts, the little twist front knot details on the front. So we'll see how this goes. It does look a little bit longer in the back, which is good. And like I said, it's very stretchy. And here's an up close of the print, which is really pretty. It's like navy and cream and a light blue, so that's really pretty. Next is the Dictionary Alisson Sailor Button Detail Capri Pant in black. And has the little button details down the sides here. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll have to see when I try this on with the different tops, but it's just doesn't have a lot of stretch either. It's just a basic capri pant. Pockets on the back, and then just the buttons on the pocket on the front. So I'm not sure how I feel about the button detail. We'll have to see. And then lastly, we have the workout pants, and these are by Thrive Society. It is a blocked out performance legging in blush. Ooh, those look really small. We'll have to see about that. And I do worry that this lighter color will show, you know, all the dimples and the not so great parts of my back part of my legs and things like that. They are super stretchy. They are a little bit thicker. And so they have like, I think that looks like a lavender purple and then a cream. I'm not sure how I feel about the color, and they don't look super long. I'm 5'10" tall, and so these look like they might almost look like capri length to me, so we'll have to see. But next, I'm gonna go ahead and do the try on. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the first item, and I decided to try on the dress first, and this is the Fortune and Ivy Madia brush knit dress in navy. And it has striping going down, and it's got different sizes of stripes going down. It's navy and white. Fits good underneath the arms for me. I'm gonna step back so you can see the length. Comes a few inches above my knee. It is very soft, very comfortable. Be cute with a pair of white sandals. I was worried that it was a little bit short, but I think it's okay. What do you guys think? Just a cute little soft basic dress. All right, tell me what you think about this dress. I'll be right back with the next two items. All right, guys, I'm back with the next two items. And so on top, I have the Beacon Estella button-down tie front knit top in red. And it looks like this. Here's a print. The only thing that concerns me is it wants to gap open right there a little bit. It's not super noticeable, and I don't feel like I'm super busty, so it shouldn't be an issue. The material's super stretchy, but I love the color and I love the print. Doesn't gape open too much right there. Tell me what you guys think. But it has this cute little button-down detail, and it has this little tie front right here. It does come a little bit longer in the back, which is good. I have a cami on underneath right now, but it fits pretty good in the armholes. So tell me what you think. I love the color. I'm a little bit worried about this. And I don't know why it's doing that. It's not like I'm popping out here or anything like that. What do you guys think? Is that too noticeable, or what suggestions would you guys have for that? Because I think the top is really cute. It's just this top area right here. All right, on to the pants. These are the Dictionary Alisson Sailor Button Detail Capri Pant in black. And they have these cute little buttons right here on the side. They have a double button here on the top. They are too big. These are a size 10, which is what I normally wear, but they have a ton of extra room here in the back. And they are more stretchy than I thought they were, but you can see I'm pulling like tons of material on these pants. Let me step back and see what you guys think. But they are definitely too big. So I don't know how I feel about the pants. I could use a pair of black pants, but I don't know that I love them enough to exchange down for a different size. So you guys tell me what you think. Should I keep the top and the pants? I'll be right back with the yellow top. All right, so I'm back with this next top, and this is by West Key. It is the Allura Knot Detail Blouse in yellow. And I love this yellow, it's so pretty. It is a little sheer. I do have that nude cami on that I had on before. It has a kind of longer sleeve. It almost Looks a little like a dolman here on the sides. Has the cute little twist front knot detail. It is made of polyester. Let me get up close so you can see the print. It does come down longer in the back. I still have on those black Capri pants. I like the color. Do you think it's too big or you think it's okay? I think it's supposed to be a little flowy. So let me know what you think about this top. I've got those workout leggings that I need to try on, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the last item, and it is the Thrive Society Blocked Out Performance Legging in Blush, it says. Kind of has like a lavender purple color. I just put on a Disney t-shirt with it, but it has a lot of compression. It was a little challenging to get these pants on just because they have so much compression, but they have this striping down the side. They do come down to my ankle. I feel like they don't show as much of the back of my leg as I was worried about. So what do you guys think about these leggings? I'll go ahead and tell you they are the most expensive item in the box. All right, guys, I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I am back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. I am burning up. Who knew trying on clothes was such a workout? But I guess it is. Let's go ahead and get started with the list. The first item on the list is the dictionary. It's Alisson Sailor Button Detail Capri Pant in black, and these are size 10, and they are $48. I think it's a pretty good price for the pants. The only thing is I think that they were too big, and so they were gaping in the back, they were too big in the legs and in the butt area. So do you think these pants are worth sizing down in? That's the question. Next is the West Key Allura Knot Detail Blouse in yellow, and this one was $42. And it's a nice little yellow sheer top. It has that cute little twist knot detail on the front. It's kind of a flowy top, and it, like I said, is $42. Next is the Beacon Estella button-down tie front knit top in red, and this one's super stretchy. The only thing I worried about was that top button. Do you think it was gaping too much? Do you think it'll be okay? I love the color, and I thought it was comfortable. And the cost of this top is $34, and so it's the cheapest item in the box. And then I have the workout leggings. This is by Thrive Society, the Blocked Out Performance Legging in Blush. And these are the most expensive item in the box at $89. Now they did fit and they didn't show as much as I thought they might show, but I think these are gonna be the make or break item for my box as to what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. If I send these back, I'll probably pick one or two other items to send back as well. So tell me what you thought about the legging. And then last on my list was this Fortune and Ivy Madia brush knit dress in navy. And it was just a cute little tank dress. And it was really comfortable, and I think it would be cute with a pair of sandals and some earrings. And the cost of that dress is $40. So my stylist picked subtotal is $253. If you buy all, you get a discount of $63.25 taken off, which leaves me with an order subtotal of $189.75. Let me know what you think I should keep. This box is one of my most questionable boxes. I don't normally have this much trouble deciding, but I wasn't completely sure about the workout leggings, and I'm not completely sure about the red top or the black pants. So give me some feedback. Let me know what you think I should keep. And I'll leave my referral link in the description box below. It could be for $50. My husband's had a $50 referral link. If it's still active, I'll leave that one down below. If not, I'll leave my normal $25 link. And if you click on that, then you would get your styling fee waived, and you would get $50 or $25 towards your first box. Remember, you only pay for what you keep. It's super convenient. I always forget to tell people to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like these. And until next time, bye guys.